also got this ironing mat from Spotlight because I thought that would be better than burning stuff. And I also got this little iron, and that's the brand. Not sponsored, but also from Spotlight, which is, it's small enough where it's perfect for those little tags. And it's just a really good little iron to have. So I'll place it there. Sometimes it can be a little bit of a pain. And then you apply pressure in intervals. Obviously, big businesses that do tops and pressing, they would have one of those huge presses, but I am looking into what's in called wholesale with the clothing woven tags, and then I will sew them on and attach them. And also a stamp for the sizing, but we'll see how we go. And then a whole bunch just through, and then it is attached. Now this is just a clothing gun tagger that you can get off eBay. And normally when you order them, they will come with heaps of these, which is what slides into there. Grab one. You can get all different lengths. I'm going to go the long one, put it in, and then, as you can see, it separates it. Yeah. So on eBay, they're just called pricing guns. Very affordable way to be able to make sure that your items have your label and they know where to find you. Now, this is also the portion where I will go over each and every item, because there is nothing worse than receiving something that is faulty and or just, you know, maybe the manufacturer just didn't cut off the edges of some of the fabric. Alright, so for example, just like little bits like that, you can see it. Natalie. So there's like a little note from me, one of our positive affirmation cards, and also a little free gift, which is a ring. And look at all the improvements with the back. So much better. I do normally have a clothing folder, but I'm just trying to get these orders out quickly. So as well as that invoice. So a ton of stickers. Mailing bag. Can you hear that thunder? So this is the order to the USA, my very first order. So exciting. absolutely beat. It absolutely bucketed down to the point where, Jesus. Alright, let's finish packing this. I also like to put sticky tape on top of these because sometimes if they get stuck on stuff, it can rip them off. Like that was without hardly trying, and that's quite frustrating. And that's with almost every kind of bag too. It's just not that great. Also, express post tape. It has like, I'll show you, little tear off sections. And that is free from Australia Post. If you have a good Australia Post near your house, then the one near my house didn't even tell me. Hey guys, so my camera died before and it took forever to turn back on, but I finished packing those. Guys, my name is Amber and I'm the owner of Amber's Goodies XX. Now, I have started vlogging as I love watching other small businesses vlog and their journey and all the bits and bobs.